How to terminate a notice of lien on your property. A notice of lien on your property can be an obstacle to financial freedom and ownership rights. Fortunately, you can utilize a UCC3 form to terminate these unfounded lien notices through the Registrar of Deeds. Follow this step-by-step guide to remove these claims and protect your property. Preliminary work. Before initiating the lien removal process, complete the following steps. Visit the county clerk to obtain a copy of the county's general liability insurance face page and declaration page. Obtain a copy of the Registrar of Deeds oath and bond information. Contact the insurance company and request a claim form. Fill it out and prepare to file it. Repeat the same steps for the county attorney, ensuring all necessary documentation is collected. Step 1. Obtain a UCC11 form. Request a UCC11 form from your Secretary of State, S.O.S., to certify that no lien or claim exists against you. This documentation will serve as proof of an invalid lien notice. Step 2. Search county records. Perform a thorough search at the county level and make copies of any documents filed against you. Record the book and page numbers for reference. Step 3. File a UCC3 form. Use the information collected in Step 2 to complete a UCC3 form and file it with the Registrar of Deeds to terminate the unfounded lien. Step 4. Identify the document to terminate. On line 1A of the UCC3 form, clearly specify the document you intend to terminate. Step 5. Check the box in line 2. Place an X in the box on line 2 of the UCC3 form but do not fill out any other sections. Step 6. Understand line 9's importance. Line 9 states, or if this is a termination authorized by a debtor, authorizing this amendment. This means that, as the debtor, you have the legal authority to nullify any improperly recorded claim against you. Step 7. Visit the Registrar of Deeds office. Bring the following documents: UCC3 and UCC11 forms, 2 or more witnesses, several instant affidavits. Be prepared for resistance. If the Registrar of Deeds refuses to comply, point out that IRS liens were also not notarized, yet they were filed. Provide the Secretary of State's contact number so they can confirm that no lien exists. If they refuse to act, fall back on your preliminary work and escalate accordingly. Step 8. Send a certified notice letter. To prevent future fraudulent liens, send the Registrar of Deeds a certified letter, return receipt requested, stating, they must not record any new lien against you unless it is verified at the Secretary of State's level. A lien must be registered by an agent of a foreign principal for it to be valid. Step 9. Record the notice receipt. Obtain a certified copy of the notice receipt and record it at the county level. Demand that it be posted in the public area of courthouse notices to ensure future compliance. By following these steps, you can effectively remove fraudulent lien notices and protect your property rights.